How to see the post you have liked on Instagram. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, make sure that you're running the latest version of the app. If not, head over to App Store and then update it. Once the app is up to date, head over to the application. Enter your login credential and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and then click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Once you're in here, in the section of How You Use Instagram, you need to move ahead to your activity. It will land you on this page. Inside the interactions, head over to Likes. And in this page, you will be able to see all the posts that you have liked on Instagram. You can also select the category from newest to lowest. Choose according to your need. You can also select the date and also content types. Set all the settings according to your need, and then you will be able to see all the posts that you have liked. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.